Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log out of the XM application using your smartphone. If you want to log out or sign out of your XM application and don't know where to do it, first of all, launch open the XM app on your mobile device. And then make sure that you're inside this Markets tab. From here, go to the top right corner and tap on the human icon. In the expanded menu where it says My Profile, go to the very bottom and tap on Sign Out. Soon after you tap Sign Out, you'll be logged out of your XM application. Now you are logged out of your XM account. Logging out does not mean delete your account. Make sure to remember your credential details for next time you want to sign back in. If you use a shared device, logging out keeps your account secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.